Hey there, let me introduce you to Atana Lopez, a super cool and sexy Instagram model from Barcelona. She's super viral online, but also really chill and down to earth. She loves fitness and video games, and yep, she's got some special pics for her subscribers, pulling in a neat $10,000 a month. But hold up, before you hit that subscribe button, there's a little something you should know. Now, it shouldn't be a big deal, unless you're not cool with techie stuff, but Atana isn't your typical woman. She's totally made by computer AI. What the? Couldn't believe it, right? But she's every bit as awesome. Today's December 5th, 2023, and you're tuning into the Hustle Facts AI. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at creating your own crew of AI influencers all for free, using some sweet open source image models like Stable Diffusion XL and Juggernaut. These models are champs at making super realistic images. Rewind about a decade and the first generative adversarial networks could barely churn out tiny blurry images. But now we're talking high-res, lifelike pictures that can even make lonely guys believe they're real.
Nice.
It's a bit sad, but also kind of impressive that the brains behind this are making big bucks, especially now when guys are trying to avoid this kind of stuff. But hey, most of you watching this are savvy enough to not just consume this content, but to figure it out and use it to your advantage. There are tons of tools out there like Midjourney and DALL-E from OpenAI, but those cost money and have extra safety stuff we don't need. Luckily, we've got a bunch of free options in the generative AI world. The star player here is Stable Diffusion XL, released in late July 2023. These massive models need a lot of computing power, but you can fine-tune them using something called a checkpoint with some extra training data. And don't sweat it, there are plenty of these checkpoints already out there. Now on to the fun part, playing with these models without needing to code. The top choice is the Stable Diffusion Web UI. Super powerful, but a bit much for beginners. Lots of buttons and options. Another neat one is Comfy UI, which is more like playing with Lego or video games. But in this video, I'm all about Focus or Fucus. It's similar to Midjourney, but free and easier to use. I've got it running on a modest NVIDIA 370, and it takes about 45 seconds to pop out 2 awesome images. What's super cool is that you can play with styles, aspect ratios, and more in the Advanced tab. Want to try a retro video game look or anime style? You can. But for our AI influencer, let's stick with the default settings. We'll create a really detailed prompt, add some flaws like rough skin or no makeup to make it more lifelike, and bam! Our influencer is born. Next, we'll save this as our base image, then blend it with other images and text for more variety, like a yoga pose at the beach. And if things look a bit off, no worries. Just use the in-paint or out-paint tools to fix them up, and there you have it, your very own artificial influencer. But wait, there's more. Just yesterday, Pika Labs AI showed off their text-to-video platform. It's not open source, but Stability AI recently launched Stable Diffusion Video, and the possibilities are endless. Comment yes below, I will show you how to use Pika Labs AI soon. That's it for this Hustle Facts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.